find the equation of a parabola. Okay, now we're going to do, with a focus at 0, -3, with focus at 0, -3, and the center at 0, 0. Just remember this notation
Vertex
from yesterday? Yeah, that too. Right? The notation was vertex 0, 0. So it's telling you the name of the location of this. Now again, if a little sketch here helps you, then that's fine. But again, hopefully we can sort of talk this through without a picture. What position in terms of x and y is my focus? Where is
down
it?
3 on the y-axis.
Good, so it's on the y-axis. So, shockingly not, we're going to use the y formula. Right? That might help you differentiate. Wherever the focal point is, the focus value, that's what letter you'll use for your equation.
But since p is a distance and distance can't be
True.
negative, would it be 3? Like 4 times 3 then?
No, you still observe that rule, or the sign of it rather. But you're right, the distance itself isn't negative, it's the direction that's negative. So we know that we're going to be in the y equals position. It's going to be 1 over 4p. How far away is 0, 0 from 0, -3? It's -3. It's down 3. So 4 times -3 x squared. So what would that say? Good. Where the negative is, I'm not going to be so picky about because fractions are negative as a whole. Doesn't matter if you put the negative on the top or the bottom. So what we're going to call this is y equals -1/12 of x squared. Okay. Y equals -1/12 of x squared. If you keep in mind that p is a distance, that will help you. P is not a point. It's really tempting to call it that because you're thinking like the point P, but it's not. P is a distance. I want to leave that up here. Why don't I put one up and have you guys do it, and then I'll pass out your homework. All right, let's now find an EOP. Okay. What?
It's not snowing, so I guess we'll be here.
Find an EOP, careful, with directrix. Okay, but remember guys, don't lose your hats on this. How far is the distance from the vertex to the focus? It's P. How far is the distance from the vertex? It's the same thing. Don't let that scare you.
Well, 2p.
Find the equation of, it's not 2,
right.
still 1.
I was thinking from the focus to the directrix.
With a directrix of x equals -2. Okay, and a vertex of 0. Okay, give that a shot. Let me get you your assignment for tonight. It's a worksheet, so you don't have to worry about the book. Again, think about where the focus is. Is it in the x or the y? Oh, I didn't give you the focus. Think about where the directrix is in terms of its relationship to the focus here. Right? It's always got to be on the other side.
We don't know what the focus is.
Right, we don't know it, but you could indirectly if you use again this idea.
I think I got it.
Here the same. Okay. Well, there are 2 here. See if you can get them split apart. It should be positive.
Why?
1/8
Why?
squared.
Because it's -2.
Yeah. That means it's on the other side of it, so the parabola is
No, the
opening this.
directrix is -2.
Right. Right?
Yeah, what?
Yeah, it's 8. You're getting 8?
No, but why is it not negative? Why is it not negative?
Because the directrix is in the negative position. Look, if you give this a quick sketch, the directrix is x equals -2, right? What is that? Well, that's somewhere over here.
But P is negative.
Right? Here is x equals -2. If the center, the vertex rather, is here, right? Then it can't open this way, because then it's going to cross the directrix.
You can't cross
It's got to open this way.
it. What's the point of the directrix?
The directrix tells you what side of the parabola belongs. So if you know that that's -2, 0, how far away is that?
No, I don't really understand what we're supposed to do for the whole thing.
Well, read the direction.
Are we doing all of them?
What do you mean, like, find the third one?
Well, there's always a vertex and a directrix and a focus. So I've given you 2 of them, and you're going to find the other. So guys, hold on here. So this is x hugging, right? So it's going to be x equals 1/8 y squared. Because again, this distance, guys, all right. So that's not. It's a little distracted in here. Thanks. All right. So the worksheet, the front. First of all, there's no graphing anywhere. This is all just like trying to put it together. So on the front, you're just circling what all these do.
Bye.
Yes. Hi. Bye.